Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share Lucidchart with a non-user. All right. So first up, we would need to publish this particular diagram to make it live. All right. So that we'll be able to share a live URL. Now this allows anyone with a link to view the diagram without needing a Lucidchart login. Now, how do we do that? So in here at the top left, just go ahead and click on File and hit on Publish. All right. Once that's done, we have a drop down right here. Just click on it and you have these options: full document, URL, PDF, single page, or area selection image. Now, for example, I wanted to share the full document as a URL. Okay. Then next, if you want to require in some password, which I'm going to do, maybe 123, then hit on generate link, wait for it to process, and it says here link copied. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up another browser right here with another user. Okay, now I'm going to paste that link in here. Say, for example, all right, it says here, please enter the password to view this document. As you might remember, 123 is the password, so I'm going to type in 123, then hit on view. Wait for it. And as you can see here we have the diagram. Now, anyone with the link will be able to view the diagram and see any changes made in real time. But they won't be able to edit or comment unless they create a Lucidchart account. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.